everyone. In today's video I'm using a wood piece that has some tree ring area on it that isn't all smoothed out, and I want to use my brayer and put some paint on there and see if I can get a nice stamp just with that wood texture. This other side has been cut, so there's no texture on that one, but I'm going to just put a little paint on my brayer here and see if I can get a nice transfer. If I can, I might go see if I can get some larger pieces of wood to do this. And I'm wondering if I need to thin down my paint a little bit or if that will be okay. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what this looks like. So I'm just going to use one of my book pages. I think I'll use this side. I got some paint on there, and so I just want to see. So I got a really light transfer, so let me try a thicker coat of paint. And I'm just using acrylics. I don't know if you would need actual printing ink for this to make it turn out better, but here we go. I'm going to try this one. Oh, that turned out a little bit better. So you can see some of the nice definition in there. I think I'll just add a little bit more and do a few. But yeah, if you get a nice big wood slice, I think you could come up with some really pretty prints. But I'm just going to alternate my shapes a little bit. Oh, that one turned out nicely. Let's see if there's enough paint to do that. Oh, I like that a lot. Yeah, okay, so you can get a couple of prints before you just need to add a little bit more paint. And then I'm going to do one here. Yeah, one there. I like alternating the shape and the direction a little bit. Oh, I like that a lot. Okay, so this worked out actually better than I thought it was going to. So I'll see what I can find for some larger tree slices. But I'm going to just fill this up. And there we go. So that turned out nicely. Yeah, I think that one is nice and clear. I like the way that that shape is. Those got a little bit light, so I know one or two works, and then add some more paint. So I'm going to do one more here. Do I just have one page? Yes. That one turned out nicely. Yeah. All right, I'll get one more row on this. Yeah, so that worked out better than I thought. I'm glad I tried it. I know it's just a little scrap piece of wood, but now I have ideas for some other slices of wood that I can try and get. But overall, created a really nice design and pattern on those. So yeah, I think a nice big wood slice would also look really well. So thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you tomorrow.